Hi there. Today I want to talk about the hype cycle and how to grow competences. Somewhere in the 60s in the United States in a university, they published for the first time 4 stages of growing competence. And what is really striking, it shows a huge overlap with the hype cycle. The hype cycle is where we first overestimate the new technology that's entering the market, and then we start to get disappointed, and then we get to terms with it. Now that's exactly the 4 stages of growing competences. First, we're not really aware we're incompetent. We believe this technology will solve everything. Until we hit the point where we really get frustrated and angry and we go like, okay, I think I don't understand this beast or creature or new technology. So what should I do? And this is where we go from the wrong intuition into the wrong analysis. And the analysis normally is, you know what? We're special. We're different. We are unique. So we're so different from our industry and the branch that we're working in, we probably need to reinvent the wheel. And this is where we start to customize technology. So if you start customizing your technology, I'm not saying you're incompetent. I'm saying you have to be aware, is this really needed, or am I not really clear what the analysis should be? So once you hit rock bottom, which is called also the valley of despair, you get really depressed and you go like, nothing is working. Absolutely nothing is, oh, hold on. There are 2 or 3 things that really work well. Maybe we should just go with that. And maybe we have been overestimating what this tool should be doing for us. And if we focus on those 2, 3, 4 things, maybe we get into the right analysis and we have a conscious, competent approach. And once we get really good at it, we become unconsciously competent, which is another word for second nature. We don't even know we're doing it right. And as soon as we've done this, we basically put the technology and our processes around it on autopilot. It's like behavioral autopilots. Now we're ready to embrace new technologies or maybe new sets of features in that same technology. So my tip would be start small, look for those gold nuggets, those 2 or 3 elements that really work well, and then take it from there, because that will flatten the hype cycle for you and make sure those peaks are not so high and low, and because that normally slows down your learning curve. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next Martech Memo.